In this video, we will learn how we can easily perform arithmetic operations on NumPy arrays. So we'll be performing the operations using the sum, subtract, multiply and divide methods that will allow us to add, subtract, multiply and divide NumPy arrays respectively. So at first, let us begin with adding NumPy arrays. For that, we have the sum method. It will add each and every element of both the arrays, but the result will be displayed in a new array. Okay, so these are the examples. We will first add all the elements, then we will add only the column values of both the arrays, then we will add individual array values using the axis parameter that will allow you to differentiate between row and column values. So here is a PyCharm ID. What we'll do, right click new, create a new Python file, click on it, Python file. I'll type demo1 and press enter. It will automatically add the extension.py because Python file is by default selected. Here it is, our first file. We have 3 examples. So I'll create 3 files quickly. Here it is, guys. We have created 3 files for the 3 examples. Let us begin with the first example to add the elements of NumPy arrays. First, import the NumPy library. Import NumPy as NP. NP is our alias here. Let us create 2 arrays. N1 is equal to NumPy.array. We have created it. Now the second array, NumPy.array. NumPy.array. Are arrays which will add. Okay. We can print them. The first array, the second array. Okay, now let us create a new array, output array. To display the output, use numpy.sum method and add both the arrays in it as parameters n1, n2. That's it, nothing else. Just print it. Sum you can mention and just print RESARR, the output. That's it, nothing else. File, save all. Right click, run demo1. Okay, I guess syntax error. Yes, that's fine now. File, save all. File, save all. Right click, run demo1. And here it is. It added all the elements and added both the arrays. Sum is 410. Now move to the second example in which we will add only the column values. Okay, for that let us get the files, both the arrays from here. Okay, we have 2 arrays here and we will just only add the column values. Let's see what does that mean. For that we'll be using the axis parameter. This is the output array, numpy.sum. Within that add both our arrays n1, n2 and use the axis parameter and set it to 0. Adding it to 0, what will happen? It will only add the column values. Let us print the output. Okay, I'll just go to file and save all and right click, run demo2. Herein you can see it only added the column values. How? First column of the first array is 15 and first column of the second array is 65. Adding it is 80. Same for 20 plus 75, 95. 25 plus 85, 110 and 30 plus 95, 125. So it added only the column values using the axis equal to 0 parameter. Axis is equal to 0 parameter. That's it. Now let us move to the third example in which individual array values will get printed. Okay, that means the row values also. So what I'll do, I'll again copy this. Okay, now I'll just use the output array RESARR is equal to NumPy dot sum n1 comma n2, that is both the objects, and comma x is equal to 1. We added 0 before, now it's 1. Okay, so this will add row values, individual row values. Okay, let us print the sum. That is the output, and we have x is equal to 1. Go to file, save all, right click, run demo 3. It added the individual array values because we added x is equal to 1. 15 plus 20 plus 25 plus 30 is equal to 90, and 65 plus 75 plus 85 plus 95 is equal to plus 95 is equal to 320, and it added both of them to a new array. So in this way, guys, we can work around adding array values. So guys, we saw how we can add NumPy arrays using the sum method with 3 examples. Now we will learn how to subtract NumPy arrays using the subtract method. It will allow you to subtract one array from another, and the output will be displayed in a new array. So let's see an example. So we will see how to subtract NumPy arrays using the subtract method. Import NumPy, the library as np is our alias. Now let us create two arrays. n1 is equal to NumPy dot array, and within that add values. Now the second array, add some values. That's it. Print both the arrays. Here it is. We printed the first array and the second array now. Now guys, we will subtract and display in a new array. So we will display the result here. A new array object, NumPy.subtract to subtract the NumPy array values, and within that add n1 comma n2, that is both the arrays we want to subtract. Print. Subtraction result, RESARR. That's it. Now let us see what will happen. Go to file, save all, right click, run demo 4. Herein you can see it subtracted the values. 15 minus 65 is equal to minus 50, 20 minus 75 is equal to minus 55, 25 minus 85 is equal to minus 60, and 30 minus 95 is equal to minus 65. So this is the subtraction result. So this is how you can find the subtraction between two arrays using the subtract method. So guys, we saw how to find the subtraction between two arrays, how to subtract two arrays. Now we will learn how to multiply two arrays in NumPy. For that we'll be using the multiply method, and the result of the multiplication will be displayed in a new array. Let us see the example. Let us see now how to multiply NumPy arrays using the multiply method. Import NumPy as np. We are importing our library and using np as an alias. For the first array, we will create the first array n1 and use NumPy.array method. Added 4 values. Now our second array, NumPy.array. Now let us print both the arrays. Now the second array, we have printed both the arrays. We will just multiply. Okay. Take a new array. The result will be displayed here. RESARR, new array object, NumPy dot multiply method to multiply both the arrays. That's it. Add n1 comma n2 and print the result. That is RESARR. File, save all, right click, run demo 5. Here are both the arrays and we multiplied them. What will happen? 15 will be multiplied by 65 and here is the result. 20 by 75, 1500 is the result. 25 by 85, 2125 and 30 by 95, 2850 result. So we multiplied both the arrays. In this way guys, we can easily multiply arrays using the multiply method. So we multiplied two NumPy arrays using the multiply method. Let us see our last example. Now we will see how to divide NumPy arrays using the divide method. This will divide the elements of one array with elements of another and the result will be displayed in a new array. Let's see an example. Now we will learn how to divide NumPy arrays. Let us import the NumPy library, import NumPy as np. Create two arrays. The second array, NumPy.array. Add values. That's it. Print the array. We printed both the arrays now. Now let us create a new array object to display the output here. Output will get displayed in the following RESAAR NumPy.divide method to divide both the arrays, elements of both the arrays, n2, n1. So this will be like n2 divided by n1. Print the output. Division result. File, save all, right click and run to understand the concept. Run demo 6. So what it did, it actually performed n2 divided by n1. That is like n2 divided by n1. It performed like this. Okay. So 65 divided by 15 is 4.3. 75 divided by 20 is 3.75. 85 divided by 25 is 3.4. And 95 divided by 30 is 3.16. So in this way guys, we can work around divide method. So guys, we divided both the arrays using the divide method. In this video we saw how we can easily work around arithmetic operations on NumPy arrays. We saw how to add, subtract, multiply and divide NumPy arrays. Thank you for watching the video.